Hello everyone, welcome back once again to From the Ash. It's really good to have you here with me today. I'm locked in, like most of you, because it's lockdown 3.0. We are back in our homes for the foreseeable future until the vulnerable have been vaccinated, and it seems as though the vaccine program is going pretty well, which is really good news. It's probably going to still be a little while till I get a vaccine, but that's okay because the vulnerable are getting vaccinated, and that means that in due course we'll all be able to go out and enjoy normal life again. But until then, let's get to work in the kitchen. Let's bake something delicious yet again. I'm here today to show you how to make a Kinder Bueno brownie. Now, when I was a kid, Kinder Bueno was the chocolate bar. It was the tastiest, creamiest chocolate you could get, and I still love it today, still really like it. So when I saw this recipe for the Kinder Bueno brownie on, I think it was Jane's Patisserie website, I'll link it down below, I was like, got to make that, got to make it, and I thought I would share it with you. So I've got all the ingredients here, but I'm probably going to do that a little bit later. I've got a few things to do in the meantime. I've been married to my wife now for about 2.5 years. Only now do we actually get round to ordering bedside tables. I've got a really old bedside table at the moment that's really old. It's like a hand-me-down. That it needs to go, it needs to be replaced. And Jo, my wife, doesn't even have a bedside table. She's just got a little, the smallest one of a nest of tables is her bedside table. So we figured it was time to upgrade. I've ordered some online, they have arrived. I'm gonna put those together, and I figured I'd take you along on the journey. It's not really a journey, I'm just gonna go over there and do it. If you wanna skip ahead to the bit where I make the Kinder Bueno brownies, you can do that using the timeline below. I've put chapters in so you know where the bit of the video is that you want to go to. So please go ahead and do that if you want to do that. I should say as well, if you're new to this channel and you're here for the first time even, welcome. I'm so glad you're watching my video and that you've put your trust in me to show you how to make a Kinder Bueno brownie. I will do that, but before I do that, please do subscribe to the channel because we've got lots of content coming up along these lines that I think you'll really enjoy, and every subscriber really helps me as I grow this channel in lockdown and beyond, of course, as well. So please do subscribe, click the button down below, and you'll be able to see all the content as and when it comes out. Now, if you're new to this channel, one thing I should tell you from the off, I don't actually have a paid job right now, which surprises some people because people think I get paid to do this. These videos right now that I'm doing, I do for free, I do for the love of it, basically. One day maybe I'll get paid for it, but right now it's all for fun and it's all for free and it's all for you guys to enjoy. But I don't have a paid job, which means a lot of the time around the house, because my wife works full-time as a violin teacher, I do a lot of the cooking, I do a lot of the cleaning. I'm basically a house husband right now in life, which I really enjoy actually. This place needs a hoover badly. You probably can't see it on camera, but the floor needs hoovering badly. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna have a little bit of a dust up and a tidy up, put a clothes wash going, and yeah, just get the flat in order. It took me a long time, it took me about an hour, and I've only done one, and I've got many blisters on my hands. Nice to get that done, but I need to do it all over again now. I'm not going to show you me doing it all over again. I feel like that might be quite boring. When we do the other one, I'll show you where they're going to go in the bedroom. But in the meantime, let's make some brownies. And here we are, next day, I'm making the brownies, I'm in the kitchen, I've got all my ingredients here, I'm ready to make some Kinder Bueno brownies. I have actually got this recipe from janespatisserie.com, which is a website that I use quite often. It's a bit of a go-to for me for different baking ideas. There's tons of them on there, and like I say, it's on that website, so I'll put a link down below for that if you want to make these at home. Good tip right at the start, preheat your oven to 160 degrees fan assisted, and that will then mean that when the brownies are all mixed together and in the baking tray, they're ready to go. So yeah, good idea to preheat your oven before you get started. It will take about 45 minutes, I would say, to make this from beginning to end. They go in the oven for 25 minutes, and it takes probably 15-20 minutes to get everything ready as well. So put aside 45 minutes or so for this recipe. Ingredients wise, this is what you need: 200 grams of dark chocolate, 200 grams of unsalted butter, 3 large eggs, 275 grams of brown sugar, 50 grams of cocoa powder, 250 grams of Kinder chocolate, and 250 grams of Kinder Bueno. I looked it up actually, and Bueno actually means good in a language. I'm not sure which language, but Bueno means good. So this is essentially Kinder good brownies. I hope they are good brownies. Let's give them a try. Let's get them ready, put them in the oven, and then let's give them a taste. There we go, brownies are in, kitchen is even tidy. That's how on it I am today. I would recommend, by the way, if you've got, 20-25 minutes while that's in the oven, why not tidy up the kitchen? It means you don't have to do the washing up before you go to bed. It looked really chocolatey, by the way. It was obscene, the amount of chocolate that went into that brownie. So I think they'll be good. I think this is going to be a good one. Now, me and Joe differ on this one. I think brownies are a little bit better when they've been in the fridge for a while to go a bit solid, but Joe thinks they're better hot. And they, to be fair, they are nice hot, so I've cut myself off a little piece. It was still a bit, I don't know if you can see that. It was still a little bit soft, but I've dug out some. It does, smells decadent. That's the right word, but I'm gonna give it a try hot, and I'll also have a slice later when it's had a chance to solidify a little bit, because it is still quite warm. So there you go, you can see it's melted nicely. Kinder chocolate is melted, that's the white on the end there. Let's give it a try. That is the chocolatiest brownie. It's just not a word. That is the what is the word? Chocolatiest. Is that the word? That is the chocolatiest brownie that you will ever try. And you know that unique sort of Kinder Bueno-y flavour that the chocolate bar has? It's there. It's just delicious, honestly, really, really nice. I'm looking forward to having a bit when it's a bit more sort of solid, because like I said, at the moment, it's a bit, you can see it's kind of falling apart a little bit on the plate. But the flavour Amazing. I think there's so much chocolate in this brownie though, that I think you couldn't have this like more than once a day. Although I might have another piece later, because I made it today, so I'm gonna treat myself. But really, really good. Honestly, a 10 out of 10. You know what would go well with this? Cup of tea. Joe, you making tea?
Yeah.
Joe's making tea. And that's it. Dead simple, right? Really, really easy to make. They look delicious, they taste delicious, and I'm sure you will want to give those a go at home. I have linked the recipe down below, so please do feel free to try that at home and let me know down in the comments how you got on with making yours. Really, really worth a go and something fun and tasty to do during lockdown. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you very, very soon for a brand new video. There's content on this channel around twice a week at the moment, so please do subscribe to catch that. All right, I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.